Good morning, everyone. Monica Jazik here from Real Property Investments, bringing you your Monday motivational message on this very snowy Monday morning. So we got another huge dump of snow here in Ontario. How do you feel about it? So your reaction is going to be either one of two things. Ew, snow, I hate the driving, I hate snow, I hate cold, I can't wait for summer. Or, how can I play in the snow? Am I going to make today a ski day? Am I going to go outside and enjoy it? So once again, my friends, the choice is up to you how we look at things. Now, I want to kind of relay this back to a story of a great friend of ours, Rochelle Laflamme of Epic Alliance, who is not from Ontario, but from snowy Saskatoon. So you think we got it bad here, wait till you go to Saskatoon where it's minus 40 and it's even way worse than this. So we met Rochelle a couple years ago, and the first thing she said to me was, I hate Saskatoon and the weather, and I am getting out of here. Which was really cool. It was blunt, but it was cool because if so many of us hate this weather and hate the snow, why are you here? Why are you settling for this? Rochelle didn't. She said, I'm going to build an amazing business in Saskatoon that owns $61 million of real estate, so I can take and outsource this entire business model. I still have one partner on the ground. I'm going to build a team, and I'm going to relocate and go to Florida where I don't have to deal with this. And I'm going to work from there and continue my business from there and expand and grow. Why aren't you doing this? If you hate snow and you hate this weather, let's work together to make a goal to get you out of it. I love snow. I love skiing. I love four seasons. I've lived on every ocean in the world, and I've had a lot of experiences never having winter. And you know what? I really, really missed it. Yes, it's cold. Yes, it's uncomfortable, but it could also be a lot of fun. And that's my choice. What's your choice? How can we help you build wealth? Do you want to relocate to a sunny, warm location? Let's put in your action plan. Let's make it happen. Monica Jazik, Real Property Investments. Have an amazing day, everyone.